Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared minus 25. That is about identities. So in this one, we can put about x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over x minus 5 and capital B over x plus 5. Later that we do common denominator. So about capital A, we need to multiply by x plus 5. About capital B, we'll multiply by x minus 5. And now, we need to arrange this one. So you got about ax plus bx plus 5a plus, minus 5b. X and x, we can do about factorization. So if we look carefully about coefficient, about x, we got about number 25. That means a plus b should be equal to number 25. About nothing in here, we have number 5. That means 5a minus 5b equals to number 5. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 25. 5a minus 5b equals to number 5. So we can find the solution of a and b. So we got about 8 equals to number 13. B equals to number 12. Now we put A and B cone here. A is about 13. B is about 12. And now we got the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about 13 ln of the absolute value of x minus 5. This one you got about 12 ln of the absolute value of x plus 5. And we put about c, that's about the constant. This is the end. Thank you for watching.